Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, but I'm happy to be here today. So today we're going to be discussing something very important. It's something every business owner need to do once every year. Many business owners in Nigeria don't know about annual return filing. And a lot of times, most of them confuse annual return filing with CAC to be tax filing. So these are two different things. So when we're talking about annual return filing with CAC and when we're talking about filing your tax with government is two different stuff. Yes, they are two separate government agencies. They are still under government umbrella. So both of these agencies, they are doing separate things. So recently, something actually happened. So we posted a video on our social media about annual return filing, and we got a lot of, inquiries, a lot of questions, and the most popular stuff that we got was that some of them don't even know that they were supposed to be filing their annual return with the Corporate Affairs Commission. So what is annual return? Annual return is a yearly filing that you're supposed to be filing to the Corporate Affairs Commission to inform them that your business is still active and you are still operating. So it's something I just have to tell them, this is how my business is doing, my turnover is this, I have net assets. So most people think that once you're not doing business, then you are not supposed to file. The fact that you have registered your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission, whether you are operating or not, you are to inform the Corporate Affairs Commission that, okay, I'm doing business or I'm not doing business. So it's not just for those people that are using the company. So the fact that you opened, just file once every year, and it's not something that will break your bank. So if you are filing without penalty, it's 5,000 naira. Unlike before now that we have one steady penalty. Now, if you are registered as a company and you are owing for 10 years and somebody that is owing for 5 years or 15 years, your penalty is different. CAC can charge you 10,000 as penalty. They can charge you 7,000. They can charge you 5,000. So the best thing to do is to file your annual return once every year without penalty. So there is this person, now is a client because we're now working on his job. He sent us his name to search because what we did was that we told them that they can send their name, then we'll search it for free for them. And he sent us his name and we could not find it anywhere. Could not find it on the public search. We tried to use the post incorporation. We couldn't find it. It was nowhere. And we told him to send his certificate, which he did. And we discovered that that business was registered 2004. That is 22 years ago. I wasn't surprised when I saw the year that that business was registered because it's like 2 decades, and that is 2004 is when CAC was still doing manual registration. Unlike now that everything is now digitalized, we can do everything from the system and everything will just be on their portal. And we discovered that this person have not filed this annual return since that time. And what he said was that when he registered the business, he was still in school and he gave it to one lawyer to register. And this lawyer didn't tell him that annual return filing is something that you're supposed to be filing so that CAC will know that you are still operating that business. And if you don't file, so what they do at first is to make your business inactive on their portal. And if you're not still filing, it will be struck out from the system. So some businesses should be seen struck out. Some businesses should be seen inactive. So, but this one, it was not even showing struck out. It's not just there. So it shows that it's not existing. And in the man's word, he said, what is 10,000 naira that I cannot bring out from my business to file every year? He said, what is giving me money? It's just that we didn't know. And the man is determined to get back his business by all means, and it's going to cost him a lot. A lot of us wait till when we get an opportunity before we do the right thing. Some of us don't even know what is right or wrong. Some of us, after registering our businesses, that is it. No tax filing, no annual return filing, no compliance. But it doesn't work like that. You are supposed to be compliant with your business or with your company. So why is it important for you to file your annual return with CAC? First of all, it keeps your business active on the CAC portal. It don't actually make sense when maybe your investors, they are researching about your company. It's okay, let me go and do my due diligence. Who is the owner of this company? And they are checking your portal and they are seeing inactive. It doesn't make sense. So first of all, it keeps your business active, and secondly, it prevents penalties and accumulated fees. Please don't be like that man that wants to pay for 22 years. And it's not just paying for 22 years, he's going to update his business on the portal, which is going to cost him a lot, with the fact that he's paying for 22 years and penalties. So is going to spend not less than 300, 400,000 just to bring back that business. Thirdly, it ensures that your business records remain valuable and accessible. There is this other client too that we also helped with annual return filing, I think for 3 years, and he said that he wanted to go and open an account and they couldn't do search because CAC made sure that they could not get any information about him until he filed his annual return. But after I finished filing his annual return, everything came back. The fourth reason is that it protects your company from being struck out. So CAC announced this month that they were striking out a lot of companies because those businesses, they look like dust in their shelf. Because a lot of them, they have not been filing their annual return. They said 3 years. So if your business was registered past 3 years, that they are going to strike out, they are going to remove it from the portal. So what are you waiting for? Please file your annual return. I know some people will be asking, okay, when am I supposed to file my annual return? Annual return is supposed to be filed from January to May. So once it gets to June, you start paying penalty. And once you've registered your business, the next year, that's when you start filing your annual return for a business name or for a company or for an incorporated trustee. For incorporated trustee, I mean churches, association, club, NGOs, foundation. You're supposed to file your annual returns, and there are a lot of penalties. So if you want to get more information about this annual return filing, or you want us to help you to search for your company, whether it's struck out or you are due to file your annual return, please reach out to the number showing on your screen. My name is Maria Raymond. And don't forget that this video was brought to you by Fortreal Corporate Services. And also, we don't just do only post-incorporation services. We help you with your compliance. We help you to register your business with the Corporate Affairs Commission. And once you are our client, your details is in our database, and what we do is that every January we send you reminder to file your annual return so that you will not pay penalty. That's what we still do for you. So till I meet you in my next video, thank you for watching.